In this session, we can learn how carbon can form compounds. Carbon with atomic number 6, valency 4 and valence electron 4 is considered as a versatile element. Versatile is being flexible and carbon adapts itself to combine with other elements to form the compounds. Why this nature is seen in carbon is due to its 4 valence electron in its outermost shell. Carbon shares 4 electrons to form stable noble gas configuration by forming a compound. This property is called as tetravalency. Due to this tetravalent nature, carbon not only combines with other elements, it combines with itself to form a long chain of compound. This self-linking property of carbon is catenation. So carbon is a versatile element due to this two property, tetravalency and catenation, and all the carbon compounds remain stable due to their small size. One more element, silicon, that belongs to carbon family also shares electron like this and forms a compound. So the compounds formed by sharing of electrons are called covalent compounds, and the bond formed between two atoms by sharing of electrons is called as covalent bond. As carbon cannot lose electron or gain electron, all the carbon compounds are formed by sharing of electrons by the formation of covalent bond. Not only carbon, all the non-metals combines itself to form a compound by sharing of electrons. The electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom is called valence electrons. These valence electrons are involved in the sharing process and the formation of a compound. In an atom, if one pair of electron is shared, that is 2 electron is shared, it forms a single covalent bond. If 2 pair of electron is shared, then it forms double bond. If 3 pair of electrons, that is 6 electron is shared, it forms triple bond. Here is an example to show how single pair of electron is shared between hydrogen atom to form a hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen atom has 1 electron in its outermost shell, and to become a stable molecule H2, it needs 2 electrons to be there in its outermost shell. Each hydrogen shares 1 electron mutually and forms H2 molecule that can be represented by drawing a circle around each hydrogen atom. The place where 2 circles intersects has 2 electrons which is common to both. As 2 electrons is present in the common place, the bond formed is a single bond. In the next example, in the formation of hydrogen chloride molecule, hydrogen has 1 valence electron and chlorine has 7 valence electron. To become a compound with a hydrogen, chlorine needs extra electron that is shared with hydrogen, and hydrogen shares 1 electron with the chlorine and remains as a compound. Chlorine with 8 electrons and hydrogen with 2 electrons has formed a HCl molecule. Example is formation of water molecule. Here, oxygen with 6 electrons shares 1 electron from hydrogen in left side, 1 from the right side, and forms a molecule. When 2 pairs of electrons are shared between the elements, it forms a double bond. In this example, 2 oxygen atoms shares electron to form oxygen molecule. Oxygen has 6 valence electron, and to be stable it needs 2 more electrons that is shared mutually between 2 oxygen atoms. When you draw a circle around each oxygen atom, the place where 2 circles intersect shows number of electrons shared. As 2 pair of electron is shared, it forms a double bond. Here, carbon dioxide molecules also shows double bond formation between oxygen and carbon. Carbon has 4 valence electrons, and to become 8, it shares 2 electrons from each oxygen atom present on both the sides of carbon. Oxygen with 6 valence electron in turn shares 2 electrons from carbon and becomes 8, and it remains as a stable CO2 molecule. If 3 pair of electron is shared, then the bond formed is triple bond. Nitrogen with atomic number 7 has valence electron 5. It requires 3 more electrons to become 8, so nitrogen shares 3 electrons mutually and forms N2 molecule.